So hey guys, what's up? Today in this video we are gonna design a calculator, so keep rolling. For that you need linear layout, we need a height that is of match parent, we need a width that is also of match parent. That's all. And now we need text view, match parent, wrap content, and then we have text that is enter a first number, and then we need to increase the size must be 20 sp, and then let us take margin from top that is of 20 dp, and let us choose background color that is black. Let us choose text color that is black. Right, now let us choose edit text. Match parent, wrap content, close. And as you can see, the thing which we are written here is enter text is not visible on the UI screen. As you can see, enter text is not visible. For that you just have to add orientation vertical. See, enter text is visible right now over here. Without wasting any time, let us copy this and then paste it over here. And as you can see here, enter first number and enter first number. Let us change something in the second line, that is enter second number. Okay, now that's fine. Now the thing which we are needing is button. So for button, it's a nice content, and then close. We also have to give some name, that is calculate. As you can see, the thing which is written here is in the small letters, but here we see in the UI section in capital. For that you have to do some changes over the coding section, that is text all caps, false. Now as you can see, the thing which will be written here is similar as on the UI screen. Now what we do, let us give some margin from the top, that is of 25 dp. Alright, now what we do, let us give IDs to the text, edit text section and button section. So for that we just have to write ID, and let us give this as edit text first. ET is the short form of edit text, and right now let us give the ID for the second number, let it be 80 second. Now for button, we choose BTN. Okay, this is the ID for button. Now let us move toward the main activity.java section. As you can see, this is class and this is method. In class we just have to type the thing which will be used in activity main.xml file. So we use edit text et first, and then comma et second. As you can see, it is in the dark mode. For coloring it, we just have to add something in method section. Before that, we just also use button in the activity main.xml. So we choose button over here and btn. That's all. Okay. Now let us move toward the method section. Now let us add method. Continue find byid r dot id dot et first. Why we use r dot id? Because we have to enter integers in the form of et first. Okay. Now let us choose et second is equal to find byid r dot id dot et second. That's all. Now for button, we also choose btn as button. Now find byid r dot id dot btn semicolon. Now as you can see, at enter text, here we have to use in the edit text portion, we just have to use hint in the form of enter text. Why we use hint? Because when a user press enter text, the pop-up of keyword is shown up. Okay, for that we used hint portion. This hint portion also be used on the other text portion, so be careful about this thing. Okay. Now, as you can see, when a person press enter text button and keyword pop-up come and enter first number and as well as second digit, so then he or she may click on calculate and then the pop-up of answer is coming. For that, what we just have to do, we just have to add here set on click listener, that is of this type. As you can see here, error comes up. For that, you just have to press alt plus enter and then make activity. Okay, so as you can see, override of this section is pop-ups shown here. Okay, now here we have to add some methods. That what type of thing will be shown up when a person click on calculate. For that, you just have to give here some string that is of integer type. Let us choose it as number 1 is equal to et first dot get text dot to string dot to string and semicolon. That is for the first one, and let us choose second number et second, that is same as get text dot to string. Now number 1 is integer type, so we have to declare it first as integer. So let us choose some number int number is equal to integer dot %, that is number 1. Let let us do same changes for the number 2, integer dot percent number 2. Another thing which we have to do is we just have to apply some logic, that is of the string type. Number 3 is equal to number plus number 2. It will show an error because in case of string we just have to declare some string type array over here. Okay, for that we use toast, and toast is, so have to remove this and type here number 3. 3. So that's all. We have created a Android application right now, and it's now turn to run this application. For that I just have to connect my device first. For that I just have to pause this for right now. So as you can see here, I have connected my device, and here is my device name Xiaomi, and now it's time to run the application. So click on run, and then let's see what happened. You just have to wait. Pause, create build running. So here is our device right now connecting. You just have to wait for some time. So here is the coding portion, and here is our application right now running. This will take some time. So no, so it's time to install the application. It will ask us for the installation. Let's click on install. See our application pop-up have coming, and as you can see, when I click on enter text, the keyword is coming up is in the form of characters, but I need integer type keyword. So we just have to do some changes in the section portion. Type here integer type, that is in the form of number. Now let us choose here integer type number. Now let us run our application again. So it's been running. Let's wait for some time. As you can see, it's time to install the application automatically. As you can see, our application pop-up comes up, and when I click on enter text, then you can see that the keyword portion is in the type of integer form. Now it's time to plus two numbers. Now let us add 20 plus 22 plus 20 is 42. Okay, when I click on calculate, it's 42 comes up. As you can see, the pop-up of 42 comes up over here. That's all for today. I hope so that you like this video, and have a nice day. Good day.